In this tutorial, I'd like to describe how event categories are used to control how events are maintained when shared among multiple departments. We're looking at the systems administration panel under event categories, and we're looking at the NHL category for National Hockey League games. We've set this up so that the guest services department is the controlling department for this category. And departments that use this category, including guest services, be the box office, part-time operations, full-time operations. There could be others. We can, for any department, we can just decide who controls it just by selecting it in our edit. There are other category types as well, categories that are tied to an event, or the categories that are just workday, scheduled hours during the workday. But for the NHL, these are games, these are events. Our controlling department is the guest services. We can add or remove departments. Let's add a department here. Let's add game operations. I suppose communication, broadcast, control room. Okay. What this means is that these departments are departments that schedule hours for this category. As you can see, we have a number of categories set up, and it's a system administration function to set up the categories, define the controlling department for each category, and then what departments use the category. To see how this works, let's go into the administrative site, and we'll start out in guest services and create a National Hockey League event. Let's create the event on the 28th of January. And here's where we choose the category. And this drop down shows only the categories that this department schedules hours for. And we're going to choose the NHL category. And we'll just use a template to create this event real quickly. Oops. Save it. Okay, so now we have a NHL game on January 28th. To see how this works in other departments, let's log into the box office. Oops. And let's go back to January. And we're going to add an event, a hockey game, on the 28th. Category, NHL. Here you can see that the name, the event code, the venue, all of these things have been grayed out, meaning that because I in the box office do not own this category, I can't set those. I don't control those. I can add my positions. And go from there, create the event. So that's how that works when I don't own the category. there's our event. Okay. Um, so that's it. It's the basic premise is that there for every category that schedules hours, there's an owning department that can create the initial event, and then other departments, if they're on the list of departments that use that, they get to add their hours to that event. So there you go. Enjoy.